Okay, so welcome back, and now we're going to do another example of where we're adding numbers. And again, we could be given something like this where we have to add up these numbers. And again, maybe you don't have a calculator, okay? And it's always better, in my opinion, to be able to do these things in your head without having to shuffle around, get the calculator out, or use your phone. It's just because you're just using the basic principles. And it's important to know how to do these. So how would we do these? First step is to estimate, right? We want to estimate the answer. So when we estimate the answer, we're going to round our numbers, okay? So this would be rounded to 540. This one would be rounded to 1470, okay? This would be rounded to what? 880. And this would be rounded to 90. Okay, oops. Okay, so now if we add these, again, we can add these vertically. Let me do it this way. Let me do it this way. So 540, 1470, 880, and 90. Right? Now, I could do these left to right, right? So I can add, so I got the 1,000, so I got 1,000, right? So I've got 1,000, and then if I add these together, I get 17 hundreds, but it's 1,700. So 1,700 plus 1,000 is 2,700. And then if I add these numbers together, I get what? I get 28, right? I get 11 plus 8 is 19, plus another 9, or excuse me, let me see. Yeah, so I get 19, so I get 28, right? But that's 28 tens, which is 280, right? So I have 2,700 plus what? Plus another what? 280, which brings my total to 2,980, and then that's my total, 2,980. Okay? Right? So 2,700, 2810, 2890, 2980. That's what I got. Okay? And so my estimate should be close to 2980. Or about, if you wanted to round these to the nearest hundreds, right? So we could do 500, 1,500, 900, and this is 90, right? And so our answer comes out to about 2990, right? So it didn't really change much. So that's why I figured just stick with tens. Or actually, that last one would be 100. So it would be close to 3,000. Okay, so that's what we could have done here, is just round these to the hundreds. And so take 500 plus 1,500 plus 900 plus 100, and then just round, add those up. But that would have given us 3,000. So we know our answer has to be close to 3,000. Okay, now that we have an estimate in our mind, right? Let's add these. So now I'm going to write these one above each other, right? So I'm going to take these here, I'm going to write them down. So again, line up the ones digits, just like I did with the estimate. So this is going to be 1473, 875, and 88. Okay, and so now, again, you could add left to right. And so I could do it left to right and just add, 1,000, right? And this would be equal to 1,700. And these are going to equal what? 14, 17, 250, right? 250. Oh, I'm sorry. that right? Hold on. Yeah. And then, of course, the ones digits add up to 22. And then again, if I add, I get 2, 9, 7, 2. And that's my final answer. Adding left to right. But again, you can do it right to left and just make sure you carry the 1 or carry the numbers, do your carrying. So if I add these together, so now I'm going to do it right to left. So if I add these together, I get 9, right, plus 13 is 22. So again, I can't fit more than 9 in here, so this is going to be 2. The 10s are going to go in the other one. So I'm going to put the 10s in the 10s column. So I have 2 10s left over, and so now I'm going to add all the 10s together. Well, how many 10s do I have? Well, I got 14. 14 plus 5 is 19, plus 8 is 27. Okay? Well, again, that's 27 10s. Well, I have to have less than 10. Okay? So what I'm going to do is, since that's 27 10s, or 270, right? So the 7 will go here, and the hundreds, which I have 2 of them, will go here. So I'm going to carry the 2. So 27, right? Remember, 7 here, and then the 2 will go here. And now I'm going to add the hundreds. So I have 200s, plus 500s, plus 400s, plus 800. So if I add all of those digits together, I get 19. So I have 1900s. Well, again, I can only stick at most 9 in here. And then the other 10 hundreds, which is 1,000, will go in here. And so I get 2,972. And that's how you do it. Have a great day.